Properly configuring Enado's connectivity ports is essential for control of your devices. To configure Enado's ports, navigate to the Tools menu and select I/O Connectivity Settings. The Connectivity Settings page will show you all the available control ports on Enado. All commands being sent from Enado will be sent through the ports configured on this page. This is the Connectivity Settings page for the Enado. As you can see, it shows the two built-in RS ports. Beneath the System Output section, you will see the ability to add Ethernet-based control ports and global cache adapters. You can edit the settings for the two available RS ports on the full-sized Enado by clicking the Edit button next to each. From here, you can edit the name, baud rate, data bits, stop bits, parity, and enable or disable RAW mode. To control a device via IP, click the Add Ethernet Device button at the bottom right. Your first option is to search for the devices already linked to your network. You can then easily select which devices you would like to add as separate Ethernet devices. If you are unable to detect any devices, you can add a custom Ethernet device like so. You can see following both options, the Ethernet devices have popped up here. However, when the Ethernet port has been added via custom device, it will then need to be configured to properly control your device. These settings are device specific. Not all devices can be IP controlled. Check the manufacturer's manual for this information. Make sure to enter your device name, the IP address, select the correct protocol from the drop-down menu, and type in the correct port number. As you can see, the port has reflected the setting we just entered. On each Ethernet device, you can select to add additional parameters. These additional parameters allow you, for example, to enter a username and password if the device requires such through a Telenet session. By clicking the Add Port Adapter or Expander button, you can configure Enado to control global cache hardware. Global cache ports can be configured the same way as any Ethernet port. The IP address of the global cache hardware must be configured in Enado for proper functionality. Once all the control ports have been added and configured, you will need to choose what commands will be sent out of each port. To assign a port to a command, navigate into an activity, select a button and choose Edit button. On this activity, the OK button needs a command and port assigned to it. Once the command has been added to the button, you can select to edit the port the command will be sent out of. As an alternative, you can set a default port for the entire activity. You can also set the default activity port from the Activity Port Assignment page located in the Tools menu. Thank you for watching Enado training on configuring I/O ports. Visit our YouTube channel for more Enado training videos.